Hello everybody, Asong Filipino. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now my nails is blue. So this is my nail colors for today. And today I buy ticket. Just kidding. Today we're going to unbox. I have a sandal from Shein. And I'm here because I buy cake for my daughter because it's her birthday tomorrow. So she's turning 12 years old. So, by the way, let's continue to unbox. So, it's quite heavy. So, showing you my nails. Okay. It's very nice packaging. Pink, so we'll see how it looks like inside. Oh, smell like melon. Wow, it's beautiful. It's nice. I love the color. I love this one. I won't sleep with this. Sleeping. So I'm gonna try on also while after this unboxing. So size 36 guys. So if you want to donate some shoes, just message me to my Gmail account. And now we're gonna try on because for now it looks like bigger, but we'll see. Oh my god, fits good. I love it. And I'm gonna show you in the pedals how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So beautiful. I love it. So, okay, I'm gonna show you how it fits in my feet in the pedals. Sandal from Shein. Fits really good. For now, that's all. And see you again next vlog. Bye everyone.